Hey, what's going on, guys? That was terrible, camera. But hey, all right. So we're back with another F-150 mod update, and I'm going to show you. I decided to buy a Spectre cold air intake, and I got a new camera, so you know, hopefully it sounds better. But yeah, I decided to buy a Spectre cold air intake because I couldn't decide between the K&N and the Spectre, so I just went with the cheaper one, I guess. And yeah, we're gonna install that right now, so let's get into it. But first we're gonna do it before, so let's do that first. Alright, let's see how much sound difference that makes and see if it improves my gas mileage. Let's get into the install. Alright, so we were taking this stock air thing off, and apparently there was a K&N thing, but I don't know why that's there, but we were taking it off. And these goddamn screws, one of these screws, we lost one of them down in here. Down in there somewhere, now we can't find it. But good news. We have good news because it came with 2 extra ones, so now we're just going to use one of those. So yeah, wish us luck. Alright, so we were tightening this clamp, and these are very shittily made. And it was welded on here, and yeah, it decided to break, so we gotta go buy a new 4-inch clamp. So we'll be back. I mean, it'll be like 2 seconds for you guys, but like 10 for us. We'll be back though, don't worry. Alright guys, so we're back. We got our clamps. We got some 4-inch pipe clamps, so they're better than the cheap ass ones we had. But yeah, if any of you are doing this at home, or yeah at home, I guess, if you guys are deciding to put a cold air intake on, make sure you assemble it after, or not after, before you guys put it in the vehicle, because this fuel sensor is probably the main reason. Just make sure you guys put that in and assemble it all after, and then tighten it down in there. And yeah, we haven't gotten far really. We're just trying to take the pieces off and everything, so yeah, we'll continue. Alright guys, so it's a new day. You can see it's bright. It's a new day, but we finally got it done. We had a lot of issues finding clamps. These clamps are a pain in the ass, and we're gonna start it. Or I'm gonna have my dad start it for you guys, so yeah, let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Uh-oh.
Oh well.
What's that? Something ain't right.
Well, that didn't sound good. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back, so now we will start it up. I think we fixed the problem.
Right?
Go! Alright, we didn't fix the problem. Alright guys, and we are back. It's a completely different day, you know, if you can tell. Probably not, but we finally got to work. So what we did, we had the sensor part over here, so we just flipped it around and it worked. So I honestly don't know, because on the YouTube video we watched, the dude had the sensor down here. So yeah, but anyway, it's done. If you guys were wondering what it does, I'll show you real quick, because where'd that paper go? I got this paper. I got this paper here. It's what it does. It gives the engine more air, and it increases the horsepower and pound-feet of torque. Horsepower by 14, because they gave me a dyno sheet with an 07 F-150 with the same motor with that model Spectre. Oh, did my camera? No, okay. Alright, 14, if you guys can see that. 14 gives it 14 horsepower. Geez, I can't speak. I honestly don't know how these things work, so yeah, if you're an expert, I hope you know what that means, and gives it 20 pound-feet of torque right there. So yeah, just that. And I guess I'll give you guys a sound clip because it sounds a little better, you know, not much different, but it sounds a little better. So let's hit it up. Set the GoPro right here and pray it doesn't fall off. Actually, I'm gonna set the go. You guys are gonna be staring at my radiator. Sorry. I don't trust my GoPro. So yeah, you guys heard that. There it is. It's in action, so let's go hear some revs. Ugh. I'll put this down by the exhaust, you know. Hopefully you guys can hear it. So yeah, sounds a little deeper, you know, it's got some crackers to it. Let me take this damn key out real quick. That dinging's gonna annoy me, but yeah, it's got some crackers. I went with the red filter, if you guys were wondering. It kind of got the Hector brand on it, like the K&N. But yeah, that video is pretty much over. So if you guys enjoyed, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you decide to put one on your truck, you know. Why not? If you guys own a truck or a car, you know, why not? And yeah, let me know if you guys like the new camera, because I got a new camera and it's way better quality and better sound. Yeah, that. So yeah, drop a like if you guys enjoy. Let me know what other mods you want to see. Don't know if any are coming anytime soon, but you know, I'll keep you guys updated. So hope you enjoy. See you guys in the next video, and hope you guys had a great New Year and Christmas. So yeah, see you.